This 5-minute solution will show you how to use night mode on StandBy iOS 17. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on StandBy, and here enable night mode. After that, then put your iPhone on a stand horizontally. And now I'm going to putting my phone on a stand, and I'm going to turning off my room light, and as you can see the night mode has been enabled on standby mode. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.